In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed or add a music player in GoDaddy. If you're looking to enhance your website with music, you're in the right place. Let's start by heading over to the GoDaddy website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. You'll find this on the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in by entering your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. After signing in, you'll be greeted by your account dashboard. Here you'll see an overview of your GoDaddy products. Locate the website where you want to add the music player. Click on your chosen site to open it. Once the site is open, look for the Edit Website option. Clicking on this will take you to the website editor where the magic happens. Now once you're in the editor, find and click on Add Section. This is where you'll be adding different elements to your web page. A menu will appear with various section types. You'll want to choose audio and video from this list. This option allows you to integrate multimedia elements, including music players. Upon selecting audio and video, you'll see a few more options. Click on Audio to open the audio upload and embedding choices. At this point, it's time to get the music you want to embed. Open another tab in your browser and go to SoundCloud. Navigate through their website or use the search feature to find the music you'd like to add to your site. Once you've made your selection, click on the Share button associated with that track. A new window will pop up with various sharing options. Here, you must click on Embed to see the HTML code needed for embedding. Copy the entire embed code provided. Now, switch back to your GoDaddy editor. There's an option to add HTML in the audio section you've selected earlier. Paste the embed code here. Make sure you do a quick check to ensure the code is inserted correctly. Misplaced tags or fragments of code may result in errors, so take a moment to review it if necessary. With your code in place, return to the main editor interface and look for the preview function. This feature allows you to see what your website will look like live with the changes. If everything looks good and the music player functions properly, you're ready for the final step, publishing your website. Find the Publish button, click it, and your site will be updated with the new music player. And there you have it, a fully functional music player embedded in your GoDaddy website. This simple addition can greatly enrich your user's experience. Thank you for joining today, and happy web designing.